What do you say?
Today, guess who is in the kitchen?
I'm doing the local Abomu.
Today, the rest period for me, and I must say.
And anytime we enter into the kitchen, we do everything the local way. So as you can see, preparing sweet potato with Abomu. And with the sweet potato, like washing it, I wash it with a peel and then I prepare it with a peel. So when it's ready for you to eat, you just take it off. Then you have the main food to yourself. So after putting the sweet potato on fire, everything goes on the fire with it. As you can see, my contomere and everything will also go on the fire. After I put my contomere on the sweet potato, I make ready my seki berries. We call it in our local language some call it abedru, and others also call it
Samantroba.
So this is turkey berries, very, very, very nutritious and very good for the body. So Abomu without Kobe is like a train without an engine. Yeah, so I have to also wash my Kobe and I place it at one corner. Try getting some pepper from my garden. Yeah, I've decided to surprise the family, so that Lady Bex can rest more.
Yay! Today's
I want to show her that Charlie, I get a kappa. So
today
Charlie,
is day off for me.
Yeah, and ready to go. But so right now I have to prepare the base for the Abomu, and the base actually is the pepper, the ginger, the garlic, the onion, and the salt. So this is the papa movement way. So we don't prepare it the ladies way. If it is Lady Bex, you wait and clean things, and now they will be putting and arranging. No, we don't have time for those arrangements. It is papa. So now it is time for me to add my contomere. But before I add my contomere, I just have to taste it and see if I have everything balanced. Yeah, perfect. Wow, you can feel the ginger, the pepper, the garlic, all blending in one corner, two corners, and three challenge. This is dope, man. Yeah, so I have to warm the red oil and then slice in some small onion. Okay, so this is the last thing I'll have to do. I'll pour my oil. Can you hear the sound?
You should wait for me to taste.
Okay, taste and give your comment.
The sweet potato is sweet.
I believe it's sweet potato. So Jenny womb. Because there is
Maybe I said Jenny.
So what say you? It's nice, eh?
I remember when I was pregnant when he did Abomu for me. I was sleeping and before I realized food was ready. When I was 9. Maybe I'm blessed though, Charlie. I have a husband who knows how to cook.
Yeah.
I told there, I mean, him so bad to me and
Okay, guys, we are invited to our Abomu. This is a special Abomu. This is something you can do within some few minutes, and Charlie, it's very healthy. Trust me, this is so healthy. This is so local, and you know we tend to leave these ones and we go and follow junk foods and stuff like that. Charlie, this is a Sunday special, yeah. So you can try it at home and give us feedback. You know, anything, guys. What do you say?
I'm enjoying myself.
So if you like this video, don't forget to
Subscribe, comment, like, and share.
and then I'll do guys, we out.